vehicle. You see it back there? Let's get it checked out. I'm pretty excited about this one. It's true, I'm pretty excited about every vehicle I pick up, but... Alright guys, as you can see, we are back home, and this should give you a clue of what this is. This light and that light, it is a 3/4 ton. It is a Yukon XL. It does have rear steer, which is kind of unique on it. Well, not unique, but there's not a whole lot. This is actually a 2-wheel drive Yukon XL with rear wheel steer. It's the 6-liter, actually the same motor it's in my truck. 4L80 rear steer. So let's finish getting unloaded and we'll check it out a little more. We did borrow a trailer to get this, pick this up. It's actually a really neat trailer. It's got a hydraulic tilt. No ramps needed. We just tilt it down. We drive right off. So big thanks to Bill at State Line Tags. Thanks for the trailer, Bill. We'll get back to you in a few minutes once we get it cleaned up. Let's drive this thing down. Yeah, we are offloaded. That makes it so much easier. No ramps to mess with. You just tilt that trailer down and back right off. Pull right on, either one. All right guys, we got the trailer all swept off, cleaned up. We'll drop it back down, get it returned, and then we'll come check out what we purchased a little more. Alright guys, we had a little bit of time to check this thing out, and so far I'm really liking it. And it does, by the way, fit in the garage. We have enough room to walk there, and of course my garage isn't completely put back together yet, but we have plenty of room up front here too. I was a little worried about being longer. We had a Tahoe before, and they're definitely shorter, but my extended cab short bed truck is actually longer than this. So yeah, so far everything's checked out really nice, and this has got to be the best part, the Quadrasteer. I don't know why, I'm just fascinated with that. Let me show you how it works. It does, by the way, have a couple small issues we need to address. There is a broken exhaust manifold bolt, which is very common, especially on the 6-liters, but we'll get to that and get it fixed. But like I said, this Quadrasteer just fascinates me. So I'm gonna set you here and turn the wheel. Again, we are looking at the rear wheel. That to me is just really, really cool. And it drastically improves the turning radius. This thing really has a turning radius, I would compare it to a Jeep. So we'll get it turned off here. Inside here, everything seems to be working just like it should. It's got good oil pressure. No check engine lights are on. It does have the factory navigation system. We might upgrade that head unit. There again is the 4-wheel steer controls, so you can turn it on and off. And you can also, it's got a trailer mode, 2-wheel steer, 4-wheel steer, and trailer mode. So yeah, heated seats, power pedals. It's very, very loaded, and in case you can't tell, I'm excited. Big thank you to the family that I bought it from. They were very decent to deal with, and I feel like we came to a good price agreement. So they were happy, I was happy. Everything worked out. We have a good vehicle to start out with, and they got rid of the vehicle they weren't using. So definitely worked out. Thanks guys. Very excited about this again, and my wheels are already turning. We're already decided we're gonna remove the pinstriping, get rid of some of that old man look, get rid of the pinstriping, probably do the smoked out cab lights on the top. I'm not crazy about them, but they definitely look better when they're smoked out. Of course, we'll put our center caps back on for now. I am a fan of these PYO wheels, the factory aluminum wheel. We're going to get rid of this bug shield and do a few other modifications. Probably, definitely window tint is going to be high on the list. The back is actually fairly dark. Definitely going to get the front too tinted, and a couple small improvements in the interior. But overall, it's a good truck. All right, it's cleanup time. Got it in the garage.
I'm cleaning it, you're not cleaning it.
Jessica's cleaning, I am. I'm taping. This is her new ride. This is the family ride. It's gonna be kind of multi-purpose. It'll be able to do whatever we need it to do. Take trips, work out of, triathlons, haul her bikes and gear. It'll tow a trailer. This should be able to tow my truck. So when we race, we go far enough away or whatever, just feel like towing it instead of driving it. This has got plenty of room. Yeah, we're really gonna try not to blow up, but so far that we're really liking the condition of this. Even the interior just needed a quick wipe down. It's I wouldn't even call it extremely dirty. We were able to find one of the missing front hub caps, center caps, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't look in too bad a shape, so we're going to go ahead and put it on. And I have a feeling sometimes these plastic screw-on caps that hold the center cap on wear out over time, and he has a bag of brand new ones. So I have a feeling it probably lost the other one and took this one off before he lost it. But these threads don't look horrible. I'll screw it on there and see if they hold. If not, these just pop out of there, and these little plastic things pop out and you can replace them. So we'll see. All right, this is our first drive in the Yukon. Yeah, she's only backing out of the garage, but it's still her first drive.
Wow, it's just like the Tahoe.
It's bigger. We do have to address that slight exhaust leak. It's all cleaned up. Actually, we just kind of washed it. Jessica actually just washed it. A quick wash, quick detail inside, and it looks actually really, really good. This thing, like I said, wasn't bad at all. It had been sitting for a little bit. Next step, we'll get tags on it and start driving this, putting it to work. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.